In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT 5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to get started, you can obviously use ChatGPT on any device, whether it's in the app on a mobile device like I'm using right now, or in a browser, or even the browser app. It doesn't really matter where you're using this on. Essentially, just open up ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT anything. Now, you will have to create an account, so keep in mind you got to do that first. But once you do that, as you can see, I just asked my ChatGPT, hey, and it's going to respond to me. And this is just one example of something that you can ask, but ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of things. It's going to respond in a conversational way, so it feels like you're actually talking to a real person, and you can have a full back and forth conversation depending on what you're trying to figure out. But the language models is what you clicked on this video for. ChatGPT 5 is the latest version of ChatGPT. It started off, I believe, on 4.0, or maybe it was like 3.5 or 3.9. Essentially, to change the language model, select the little ChatGPT name up at the very top, and you're going to see an auto tab, an instant tab, a thinking tab, and then legacy models. Go ahead and keep it on auto if you want to let ChatGPT decide how long it should think before responding, which is going to be that 5.2 mode, or you can switch to one of the legacy models like 5.1 instant or 5.1 thinking or even 4.0. Obviously, keep in mind that faster responses may be less detailed, while longer thinking modes usually do give more accurate results, and you can also switch between newer and older models like legacy versions. I would honestly recommend just sticking with the latest version since it is the most up-to-date, but that is really all there is to it. ChatGPT is extremely easy to use once you do get started. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.